Hello and welcome to Irwin's Megastore. Today we're going to be unboxing the Klarstein Aqua Vita electric water kettle. So here you have it, the Aqua Vita electric water kettle. Let's go through what it comes with. It comes with the lid, the kettle itself, as well as the bottom. The kettle is 1.5 liters and it uses 2200 watts of power. It has a very quaint yet charming design, as you can see. What makes this kettle unique to other kettles is the dial here in front. It measures the temperature, so you'll be able to tell exactly how far away your water is from boil. And just to give you an idea of scale here, I'm going to bring in my trusty banana. Let's see how big this kettle is. Let's look. So don't put a banana in your kettle. Don't try this at home, folks. And there you go. That is the Klarstein Aqua Vita cream electric kettle. Enjoy!